I no longer make dessert without Fanta. This recipe is fantastic. Pour the Fanta into a large bowl. Soak the ladyfingers in the Fanta and place them in the tray. In the bowl with liquid whipping cream, add powdered sugar. Mix the whipping cream until it becomes firm. Add cream cheese and mix until you obtain a smooth cream. Put the cream over the ladyfingers. Level the layer with a spatula and refrigerate the tray for 1 hour. Take the bowl with Fanta. Soak the gelatin in water. Add the melted gelatin to the Fanta and mix well. Remove the foam from the Fanta. Pour the Fanta jelly over the cream and refrigerate the tray for 2 hours. Take a glass with ice. Slice a lemon into thin slices. Put a few slices in the glass. Squeeze lemon juice. Pour the juice into the pitcher with water. Add condensed milk. Put sugar in a saucepan. Pour water. Boil the syrup. Pour the sugar syrup into the pitcher and mix well. Pour the drink into the glass with ice. Garnish with mint. With an intense Fanta flavor, this refreshing cake will become the children's favorite. The dessert not only looks attractive, but also has a special taste. A true treat.